The best, quick feel better curry soup. Chilling with my peeps when my body says no, no, no. Who does that? The UHCEO is scheduled to make a bread pudding, but there is an emergency in my body. As a crumb snatcher, I can act real funny. I need soup, and I need it now. Shalom! Crumb Snatcher CEO here. It is so simple. I could make it if I wanted to. Period, poo. Let's go over what's going into the pot. Leftover protein, she calls them do-overs. Chicken broth, 2 whole cans. Frozen stir-fry, mixed vegetables. Curry powder. This was purchased in Dubai, and it is spicy. So only 1 lowercase teaspoon of that. Parsley, she says it makes everything taste good. Sage, egg noodles, 2 cups. Cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon. Flaxseed meal, 1 teaspoon. 1 stalk of celery. Bell pepper, any amount you like, but this particular pot got 2 uppercase tablespoons. Oil, 1 tablespoon. Ghee, that's what we used. Put oil into the pan, add celery, bell pepper, and allow to cook while gathering other ingredients. Pour a can of chicken broth into the pot and allow it to warm up while adding the spices. Here is when it was decided to add another can of chicken broth. Add the protein and stir. We use poultry. You can add more, but the broth and veggies were more important to us. Now, the celery and bell pepper mixture is ready. Add it to the pot and stir some more. Bring the ingredients in the pot to a rolling boil. See the bubbles? Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. The UHCEO is painstakingly adding each one piece by piece. That's not how you do it. Make it rain with those stir-fried vegetables. Allow the vegetables to become acclimated for a few minutes. 5 should do it. That way they will remain al dente. Add the egg noodles. Soup requires a lot of stirring, so stir it up. Stir it up. Sweet darling, stir it up. Okay? Trust God. Trust. Yeah. Put on the lid. This helps tenderize the noodles and keeps the broth from dissipating. Turn the stove down low and allow to simmer for 10 minutes. Turn off the stove. Yum, yum. Look at that soup. My mama made up that word. Don't it look good? Don't you want some? Don't you want some? It's ready to be served. Simple, huh? I told you I could make it. You know what? If I touch her stove and make it messy, I'm gonna get it. So I'm not doing nothing. I feel better just looking at it. This will hit the spot when someone like me is not feeling their best. As ordered, I'll have some with some crackers on the side. Thank Bob for air conditioning because it's summertime and I do not want to overheat. In case you thought I did not see it, I did. I'm selling that pot too. Thoops up. See you next dish. Bye.